Amusphere is a company dedicated to creating engaging and innovative card games with a commitment to sustainability and societal impact. One of our products is Royal Intrigue, a Victorian-era themed card game with constantly updated questions and challenges on our website. This card game integrates eco-friendly practices by using sustainable materials for its cards and packaging, incorporating digital elements like QR codes to reduce the need for printed materials. This game is designed to provide fun and foster closer relationships between players through interesting questions and challenges available on the website.
At Amusphere, our name says it all. We've combined amusement and atmosphere to reflect our mission, creating products that bring joy and a delightful ambience to your everyday life. We believe that the right atmosphere can elevate any moment, turning ordinary experiences into extraordinary ones. By infusing a sense of wonder and fun into everything we offer, Amusphere aims to make every moment memorable for our customers.
Our company's mission is to create your amusing atmosphere. Our vision is to craft card games that deepen connection and maximize fun among the players. We believe in the power of play to bring people together, creating lasting memories, stronger bonds among players.
As a company, Amusphere develops corporate values that guide every step we take. Creativity. We prioritize creativity to generate new ideas and innovative solutions. Ethical practice. Beyond profit, our ethical practice focus on people and the planet. Inclusivity. Through inclusivity, we engage stakeholders to share value and collaborate.
This is a summary on what we will act on as a company and also the breakdown of the action. This action will have an impact on the 8th and 12th SDGs.
Amusphere, where our passion meets our commitment to sustainable future. At Amusphere, we believe that every step towards sustainability counts. That's why we've integrated eco-efficiencies and societal change into our Royal Intrigue card game. Our dedication to the environment starts with using sustainable materials. We use eco-friendly, recyclable materials for our cards and packaging to reduce our environmental impact. We implement efficient production process that minimize waste, reduce energy consumption, and utilize renewable energy sources whenever possible. By designing our card game and packaging to minimize waste, we only use what's necessary and explore ways to repurpose and recycle production of cards. Our innovative digital web integration, like the QR code in the Royal Intrigue, reduces the need for printed materials, conserving resources while enhancing the card gaming experience. We ensure that our product is durable, long-lasting, with endless questions and challenges available online and offline, encouraging players to enjoy the game for a long time, reducing the need for frequent repurchase. Beyond eco-efficiency, we aim for societal change. Royal Intrigue fosters community engagement, bringing people together through interactive questions and challenges. We raise sustainability awareness by integrating environmental questions and challenges, encouraging players to adopt eco-friendly behaviors in their daily lives. Also, our game allows players to experience different societal roles, fostering empathy and understanding of diverse social positions and responsibilities. Inclusivity is at the heart of our design. Royal Intrigue is accessible and enjoyable for a diverse audience, promoting social cohesion and inclusivity. Visit us online to learn more about our commitment to sustainability and our innovative card games.
For our business model innovation, we have technical innovation, which is we use eco-friendly materials and productions for our card games to reducing the environmental footprints from production to disposal. And then we have our digital solution, which is simplifying our website code, lowering energy consumption, making the online presence more energy efficient while enhancing the user experience. And then we have social innovation. First off, our innovation is building a community, is to engage and inform audience, providing educational content on the website. Then we have ethical partnership, that is to select our suppliers and partner who adhere to ethical and sustainable practices, ensuring alignment with our Amusphere value. And then for our ESG component, the first one is environment, which is partner with certified recycle for safe disposal of used ink, and then use recyclable biodegradable material in its card game production. And then for social, we foster a community around the card game website, focusing on educational and sustainability, and design the website and product to be user friendly and accessible to all. And for governance is to maintain transparency and to monitor and report sustainability initiative and their impact.
Good strategy is essential for this initiative. The first step is to develop a viable project timeline. Our journey will commence in July with the implementation of the standard operating procedures aimed at enhancing work effectiveness and efficiency. We'll conduct monthly audits to ensure compliance and identify areas for improvement. Furthermore, we will take significant steps to reduce our carbon footprint. We'll partner with ink recyclers to safely dispose of used ink and track the volume recycled. Simultaneously, we will explore partnerships with companies to install environmentally friendly exhaust systems designed to handle chemical waste responsibly. Moving forward to October, the important part during this timeline is that our efforts will extend into artistic realms as well. By collaborating with artists and creative organizations, we aim to repurpose used ink for imaginative projects. But our commitment doesn't stop there. In January, we're going to forge partnerships with local environmental organizations to initiate tree planting projects. Calculating our carbon footprint, we aspire to plant enough trees or more to offset our environmental impact. Furthermore, we'll also establish contracts with paper mills and ensure regular resale of paper scraps and damaged materials, generating revenue while reducing waste. And finally, the last quarter of the year, we're going to explore creative avenues for recycling lamination scraps, partnering with manufacturers to transform them into new innovative products. Throughout our journey, monitoring and evaluation are crucial. Monthly, we'll review paper and material resale, ink recycling efforts, and SOP compliance. Quarterly, we'll assess tree planting, ink sales for art, and lamination scrap recycling. And annually, we'll conduct a comprehensive evaluation reflecting on our environmental impact and setting new goals for improvement. And these are our targets. Implement SOPs for work efficiency and carbon reduction, plant trees in accordance with our carbon footprint, establish continuous resale of paper scraps and damaged materials, initiate ink and lamination scraps for recycling for artistic use, and finally use an environmentally friendly exhaust systems for ink and other chemical process.
After the roadmap explanation, we will enter the life cycle and impact analysis section. From this LCA, we have goals to see the impact of the card game production process on the environment. As can be seen in the inventory analysis section of the card game creation, there are 7 parts, starting with the material, transport, production that consists of 4 stages, packaging, transport, customer, and disposal. The LCA that we analyze is limited to the production part only. In the manufacturing process, there are 3 parts. First, card printing. Second, card cutting. And the last one is card lamination. And this is an overview of life cycle interpretation. In the process of brainstorming card games, we use the mirror application, where it requires electricity. So, from this process, a carbon footprint is generated. In making web design and card game design, laptops or computers are used which require electricity. The use of electricity produces a carbon footprint. In the printing stage, we generate carbon footprints, paper scraps, used inks, materials damaged by printing, and water contaminated with solvent chemical that used for cleaning the printing presses. In the card game cutting section, we generate a carbon footprint from the uses of electricity and paper scraps. And the last one, in laminating process, we generate a carbon footprint and lamination scraps. And this is a summary table of the process, input, output, factor to be considered, description, and impact category. We offer several solutions for the impact. For carbon footprint, we need SOP for work effectiveness and efficiency, and we will help tree planting project. For paper scraps, we will resell to paper mills. For used ink, we will search the company that recycling the ink, selling used ink for art, and we need environmentally friendly ecosystem. For damaged material, we will resell to paper mills. For chemical, we need environmentally friendly ecosystem. And for lamination scraps, we will sold to creative recyclables manufacturers.
We've done a few things in our journey to achieve a sustainable business. The first is we've begun a research on ink and paper recycling in Bandung specifically. So far, we've identified promising options like Epson with its printer and ink cartridge recycling program, and local efforts like Newhan, Trusmith, Ola Plastic, and Precious Plastics creative recycled products. Additionally, we're also exploring partnerships with individual paper mills for paper recycling.
Exploring collaboration with artists and art exhibition. We will actively investigating potential collaboration with artists and art exhibition. This initiative aims to promote creative reuse and support the arts community. We are excited to partner with visionary artists and institutions such as Irfan Hendrian, Selasar Sunario, Ruang Rupa, Jakarta Bina.
For our partner search for carbon trading service, efforts are ongoing to identify and engage with companies that provide carbon trading service. Partnering with these firms will help us offset our carbon footprints and contribute to our sustainability goals. Our partners including IDX Carbon, Lindungi Hutan, and Ecolivai. For our paper scrap analysis, we have conducted a calculation of the amount of paper scrap generated from the production of one card game. This data is vital for understanding our waste output and improving our recycling efforts. So 49 cards, 4 sides each, equals 196 micropaper for one card game, equals half a card dimension. And then we have 10% possibility of defect.
We have initiated discussions with our vendors and partners to align our sustainable strategy. Their insight and cooperation are crucial for the successful implementation of our green initiatives. We've conducted an interview with a few stakeholders such as business printing owner, an activist, a designer, and a web developer. From the printing business owner, we know that maintain relationship to our vendor is very important. He also says that small-scale printing business cannot compete with big-scale printing business. And also talk about how government regulation didn't help them. From the activists, we learned that education on waste and sustainability is very important. Government will help be a great addition for the industry. All of waste that isn't residual should be able to be recycled. Although his objection is not profit, if it done right, this industry could generate a huge profit. And last, collaboration with stakeholders like garbage collectors and the local community is extremely important. And we get a different point of view from a designer. He says that AI is not always a threat. Certification is seriously needed in the design industry. Freelance craft is a promising opportunity. He also said that using public transportation and walking as an effort to be sustainable. They also have difficulty implementing sustainable practices. For example, products which focus on sustainability tend to be pricier compared to those who don't prioritize sustainability. From the web developer, he says that express the importance of sustainability in the project or activity, talk about efforts to reduce waste such as plastic and paper with practices such as carrying bags and reducing paper usage, and then talk about the complexity of algorithms and efforts to simplify them for time and space efficiency. Lastly, talk about problems faced in the project such as coding issues, the need for leadership, and tight timelines. And the pain the web developer faced is difficulty dealing with complexities and challenges in projects, feeling pressured by high expectation in qualifications and work, and difficulty finding passions and direction after graduation. Our commitment to sustainability not only supports environmental goals, but also enhances our brand's reputation and contributes to long-term economic success.